see Singapore Airlines aircraft rolling by, heading back to Singapore. Views from a beautiful United Club. Harpazo. Believe in Lord Jesus before it's too late. Harpazo 9V-SWY. See you in the sky, Lord Jesus. You promise you're coming again. We lift your name on high. We just believe in Him before it's too late, people. Understand that all this world is but vapor. Nobody knows what's going to happen to the world, but we know. Because Lord Jesus is coming again, and we place our faith and trust in Him, only Him. Believe in Him so that you can go to heaven and can see you in the sky. Lord Jesus, you promise coming again. Harpazo is soon. We lift your name on high. Yep. Indeed, I'm going home soon on Singapore Airlines, so watch out for my flight review too in the United Lounge. Thank you.